Orcs, nature's misunderstood warriors. Picture this: green skin, tusks, and a battle cry that chills your blood. You're face to face with an orc, one of fantasy's most iconic creatures. These fierce warriors are known for their unmatched combat skills, but there's more beneath the surface. From worshipping nature deities to their internal conflicts, orcs have shaped their own unique society. Fact 1. Orcs aren't just brutes. They're deeply connected to nature. Their shamanic religion believes everything has a spirit. Orc shamans commune with elemental forces, striving to maintain cosmic balance. Fact 2. Surprisingly, orcs aren't inherently evil. Legend says they're descendants of corrupted elves, making them tragic figures rather than mindless monsters. Fact 3. Beyond the battlefield, orcs boast a rich culture. They preserve their heritage through oral traditions, epic tales, and complex spiritual practices. So next time you encounter an orc in your favorite fantasy world, remember, there's always more than meets the eye. These misunderstood warriors of nature might just surprise you.